In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the Claude Code CLI with MCP, subagents, and skills. Let's begin by opening your command line. On Linux or macOS, open Terminal. On Windows, open PowerShell. Running it as an administrator is recommended to avoid permission issues during installation. Next, install the Claude Code CLI. On Linux or macOS, run curl fssl https claude.com install h bash. On Windows in PowerShell, run iwr https claude.com install.bs1 useb IAEX. This will download and install the CLI globally so you can use it from any directory. Now verify that everything worked. Type Claude version. You should see a version string, for example, Claude Code CLI 4.5. If the command isn't recognized, close and reopen your terminal, then try again. If you have an account with an API key, setting it up now is optional, but recommended so you can use the CLI without logging in each time. On Linux or macOS, run export Claude API key your API key here. On Windows PowerShell, run sex Claude API key your API key here, then restart your terminal. This keeps your session smooth and uninterrupted. If you're not using an API key, log in through the CLI. Type Claude login, then follow the prompts to verify your account with the code you receive. Once verified, you're ready to go. Let's test the CLI. Simply type Claude, then enter a prompt. For example, you could say, generate a responsive React component with Tailwind CSS and animated buttons. Claude will reply right in your terminal with code and explanations. Working on larger projects, you can initialize MCP to help Claude understand your whole codebase. Run Claude MCP init is the context 7, then load your project folder with Claude MCP load / my project. Using context 7 tells Claude to remember all files in the project, which is especially helpful for multi-file or complex